When you need your workpiece to stay put, there's no other system out there as versatile as Woodpeckers 2096 Workholding Kit. The idea is simple, opposing wedges that provide significant force to hold your work in place, but its ease of use and wide range of possibilities will have you reaching for it with every project. The 2096 Workholding Kit features 1/4-inch thick phenolic wedges to secure the workpiece anywhere on your table with 20mm holes at 96mm centers. No matter the size or shape of your part, simply lay out the stops, locate your wedges, and with just a quick tap on the wedge, your workpiece is secure. It can hold your parts horizontally, vertically, square, or round. And our adjustable height trick dogs can even provide vertical support where other clamping systems simply can't. When you're done, just tap on the other end and the workpiece comes right back out, off to the next task. From 1/8 of an inch up to 2 inches tall, the dogs in your work holding system are sized to secure most common stock thicknesses without getting in the way. The set features 2 sizes of floating wedges, and with 24 dogs, you'll easily be able to set up multiple jobs at once. We designed the system around Festool's MFT table with 20mm holes at 96mm centers. Don't have a Festool MFT table? No problem. Woodpecker's track clamp bench uses the same hole size and grid spacing. Or, we also make a hole boring jig to easily make your own custom 2096 MFT table to use anywhere in your shop. Wherever you need your workpiece secured, the work holding system will keep your parts in place. Of course, we make each kit right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. Make the most of your MFT table and order your Woodpeckers 2096 Work Holding Kit today.